This package finally came to the, oh my god, 3 weeks. 3 weeks this took to get here. This thing took 3 weeks to get here.
Yeah, because we lost the tracking thing and we didn't know if it was going to arrive or not. It took 3 weeks to get here. I thought it was never going to arrive. And it finally came. Oh gosh. I didn't bring anything, so I don't know. I think the batteries are good. There it is. Wow. There it is.
Yeah, it's the give me more twerking dog. Oh yeah. Batteries are dead. We can hear a little cheap batteries. Sometimes when you just slam it, it does work. What size even supposed to go? Yeah, it's not working. This thing only costs like, I don't even know, $6-something. Yeah, the twerking items. So yeah, I'm gonna have to wait until I get back home because batteries are crap. So. But now I'm gonna buy. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, these batteries ain't going to work. Look at this. They expire in 2022. Oh my gosh. What year are these? It probably is 2019. These batteries. I don't even think they even made Panasonic batteries anymore. My gosh. Well, they work, but they're low. These batteries expire in 2022. See, cuts off a lot of the sound. See? Those are low batteries. And it's definitely gonna be, this thing's gonna be extremely fast with fresh batteries. Because that's already fast. But yeah, and there it is. So. But yeah, there it is. That's it.